Dear students, today we will learn about the chapter Soil that is given in your Science chapter 9 semester 3B. So, what is the soil? Soil, it is the uppermost layer of the earth in which the plant grows, and it serves as a storehouse for water and minerals that are needed for the growth and development of the plants, and it also provides the nutrients for the plants. Then means all the necessary nutrients, means most of the necessary nutrients which are required by the plant are mainly found in the soil, and it is essential, means the soil, it is essential for all life forms on the earth, and they depend on it either directly or indirectly. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, that is the process of formation of soil, means how the soil is formed. See, the process of formation of soil, that is by breaking of rocks and minerals into tiny particles, and this continuous process is called as the weatherings, and this weathering, it takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. There are various forces or the factors that cause weathering. It may be due to natural forces, or it may be due to chemical forces, or it may be due to biological forces. Okay, but since here it is since it is given only the natural forces, so we will just discuss about the natural forces. So what are the various forces that are included under natural forces? First, it is due to the heat of the sun, and second, it is due to the wind. Third, it is due to heavy rain. Then roots of trees, cold weather. And these rocks, it takes the shape, means the big rocks, it takes the shape of a sand. When it breaks down, then this sand is called as the soil. As we all know, soil, it contains organic matter, uh, and along with that organic matter, it also contains air and water. This organic matter, it is nothing but just a mixture of the dead remains of plants and animals, or you can say the dry leaf which falls down on the ground. When it mixes with the tiny particles, or when it mixes with the soil, it will be called as the organic matter. Okay, next we'll move to the next topic, that is kinds of soil. So what are the different kinds of soil? There are numerous kinds, means there are different kinds of soil, but here it is given only the three types, so we will just discuss about these three kinds of soil. First one, it is the sandy soil. Sandy soil, from the name itself you will know that it will consist of the sand, and where you will find the sand, you will find mostly the sand in the either in the seashores, or it may be in the desert, isn't it? So, and this sandy soil, it they have a large space in between them, so the water can easily flows out through that sandy soil. As a result, they cannot hold the water. um, they cannot hold the water for a long time. You can do an experiment, means suppose if you take a sand in your hand, then if you put a small drop, so not small drop, if you put water in that sandy soil, then you will see that the water will flows out through that sandy soil. Okay, then next we'll move to the clay soil. The clay soil, it has a large water holding capacity as compared to the as compared to the sandy soil. And this clay soil, it is mostly used by the potters. Potters means the one who used to make that one pottery and all, that matka with mud. They will use this clay soil for making pots, toys, and some earthenware. And not all the plants, only some of the plants, or you can say few plants, can grow in the clay soil. Then next we'll move to the loamy soil, which is considered as the most fertile for the growth of the plants. And this loamy soil, it is a mixture of sand, clay, and humus. Humus is the organic matter which you will find it in the loamy soil. Then it is all it is also considered as the best type of soil for the plant growth. And this loamy soil, it can hold enough water and air for the plants. Okay, see from the picture itself you can distinguish the three types of soil. See, the colors is also different in between them. When you see the sandy soil, they will be lighter in color as compared to the clay and the loamy soil. And the loamy soil, it will be dark in color, and it is the most fertile one. Okay, now the next topic is layer of soil. So, um, layer of soil, there are three types of layers of soil, that is the topsoil, subsoil, and the bedrock. The topsoil, okay, this green part of the soil, it is called as the organic matter part. Organic matter part. And on the topsoil, that is, since it is present on the topmost layer, so it is called as a topsoil. And in that topsoil only the plants will grow, and it is soft and dark in color. Then the next layer of the soil is light color and full of broken rock pieces, and this layer is called as the subsoil. Then the lowermost layer, or you can say as the bottom layer of the soil, it is called as the bedrock, and it is made up of a solid rock. And the plants you will not find in the subsoil or in the bedrock, you will find mostly growing in the topsoil. Okay, now let us move to the last topic, that is the uses of soil. So there are various uses of soil, but I have given only some of the points. Means only a few points. Okay, first one is the soil. It helps to grow crops as well as plants, isn't it? Sorry, here I have to include crops and plants. Okay, see, the plants, they will grow in the soil, isn't it? They take out water and mineral from the soil. Then the farmers, they grow crops. They grow crops in the soil. And sometimes the farmer, they used to in order to make the soil fertile, they used to add chemical fertilizer also, or they will add some organic manure to make the soil fertile. Then next one is it helps in making pottery and artifacts. Means pottery, the potter, they used to make pots and all, and in artifacts you will include the toys. They used to make, means the one who used to make all this means pottery and artifacts and all, they use the soil, isn't it? That is the clay type of soil. Then next one is used in making bricks. See, when you see in the bricks making factory, you will see that the bricks, it is mainly made up of the soil. The next one is the dwelling place of microorganism. Dwelling place means living place of microorganism, or you can include animals also, because we can see that various type of animals also live in the soil, isn't it? Not only the microorganism. You can take the example of earthworm, then mole, then in the picture it's given, then one fungi, then microbes, then nitrogen fixing bacteria, or you can say the various bacteria that help in the uh, that helps in the growth of the plant. You will also find it in the inside the soil. So we can say that soil is home for many animals. Then even the snakes, and the snails, they also live inside the soil, or in yes, or inside the soil. Okay, that's all from this chapter. So I hope you have understood. Thank you.